Here are the mid-rise elevators at the Russ building in San Francisco. Try handicap mode.
Select floor group by pressing again. Floor 11 to floor 14. Floor 15 to floor 17. Floor 15. Floor 16. Floor 17. Elevator A to floor 17. Forward and on your left.
Wow. Huh, interesting. This one doesn't talk. Oh. Looks like these two are in progress right now. All right.
Select floor group by pressing again. Floor 1. Elevator A to floor 1. Forward and on your left.
Wow, these are very nice. These are very nice elevators. Let's see the certificate. All right, one more ride. Oh, this one talks. It's pretty cool sensors. Whoa, okay. Yeah, that indicator changes weird. Oops, what am I supposed to do? Do I just open the door? I'm just gonna open this. Yeah. Okay, that is just weird.
Select floor group by pressing again. Floor 1. Elevator B to floor 1. Forward and on your left.
This one still does not have the indicators on yet.
Elevator B, going down.
Damn, that indicator changes so quick. All right, we'll add it down here.
Doors opening. Elevator B, going up.
That's it.